All right, so today, Chuckles, good morning. You're already up and at 'em. Good man. We are going to get on this little string whipper here. This one is a little bit bigger than the other one that we did not too long ago. And this one's got a Tecumseh on it. I like that. I like Tecumsehs. Put in the comments if you like Tecumseh engines. I do. Okay, let's check her out. Don't be looking at that. That's another one. Don't be looking at that snowblower. Ain't snowblower time yet. All right. So, right off the bat, we can see we have a little bit of a recoil problem. Yeah. So, let's address that first. See if we can't get that thing to retract back in there. It's a 1/4 inch. There we go. Just want to see if it's binding up in there. Yeah. 1/4 inch on the sides too. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to get some of them. Well, there's only 2. All right, let me get a wrench for that one. And we'll see the reason why it's doing that. Okay. I have to get this one with a wrench here. We'll take this off and then we will put it on the bench and look at it real quick. All right. Oh, she's a little crunchy in there. A little crunchy. So, let's take a look at this little guy here. Here's the dogs. I think what's going on it's got a bunch of dirt inside there. Hey, see all that dirt? Okay. Lots of dirt in there. Lots of dirt. There she goes. Okay. Yep, it's just dirty. So let's check that function out real quick. Okay. Moving on. Let's just check the oil. It's got oil in it. Got any fuel? No. So, do we have a carburetor issue or was it put away with no fuel in it? Let's check that out. Gonna put a little bit in it just to see if it leaks back out or not. There should be plenty there. Give it a couple squirts here. Well, so far so good. All right, we have the lights dimmed. Let's see if we got spark here. Oh yeah, we got spark. Okay. Nice. All right. Well, that's half the battle. So next what we're going to do, we're just going to spray a little bit of starting fluid inside this hole. We're going to go ahead and spray a little bit in here. We're going to wipe off the end of that and clean it and see if we got any kind of pop. Okay. Let's see if we got any kind of pop. Come on, baby. All right. Okay, well, let's go after the fuel system. So here is our new cable. It's going to be, of course, replacing that one. Let's get that on there real quick. There you go. Just got to squeeze these together. Take that right on out there. Like I said, I like Tecumseh. I think they're pretty reliable little engines. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and take that exhaust off of there. And that whole carburetor will come off. So we can get to those. Ooh, that's squeaky. Well, I suspect someone's been having that off of there in the past because that's usually kind of stuck on there. That's cool. There we are. All right. So sometimes you can get away with just taking this breather off of here and then pivoting the whole carburetor and taking it off of this linkage right here, which that's what we're going to do. There you are. And then of course get your fuel line out of the way. Let's see what's going on in there. I'll do this pretty quickly so I can see what that fuel looks like. Yeah, oh yeah, that's nasty. Oh, look at that float. Oh, What is on there? All right, let's get this pin out of there. Sometimes there's a spring in there. You got to be careful. Sometimes. I don't know if the spring is on there. Oh no, see the spring. There's the spring right there. Sometimes it's a little weird. It kind of tucks under and that, you know. But yeah, this one's the, I don't want to say it, the easy one. But yeah, this one is much better than the other one. All right. Make sure that this thing is floating too. Don't have any holes or anything like that in there. Yeah, that's all nasty in there. Okay, let's get it soaking and get her cleaned up. Okay. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and take this little needle and kind of get some of that rough stuff off of there. Don't want to disturb that too much. So, like we said, we're going to see if this float. Yeah, it floats good. So I'm going to go ahead and get that heated up. Here's our bowl, of course. Carburetor. And here is our jet. Go ahead and put that down in there too. Okay. So we are going to, this is all stretched out here. We're going to go ahead and put a new one on there. It's a organ. There's the part number. Let's get that opened up real quick. Don't you love getting nice fresh parts? Gaskets and that. Gotta fit that in that little groove there. Let me work on that a little bit. There we are. Do a little visual inspection, make sure that everything is working properly. We might have to adjust that or something. You just never know what someone else has done. So, yeah, let's get on the machine. All right, let's see what we got. Well, I really appreciate everybody hanging out today and getting this little thing running again. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Well, I got some weed eating to do.